Welcome back guys. In this video, let's see a full and long-term review of the recently launched Samsung Galaxy M21. If you had watched my previous videos of best smartphones, then I would have recommended this M21 as the best smartphone under the 15k budget and also a non-Chinese smartphone. Before seeing the review, let's also see a quick unboxing of this phone. Without delaying any further, let's get started. This is the box of the Galaxy M21. The box is very colorful and vibrant, and on the top and side there is the branding. The bottom we have the cost and the box contents. The cost here says 17,100, but the actual cost is 16,000, which is available on Amazon, and you can find the link in the description. Right side we have the RAM and storage variant showed, and now we have the 6GB 128GB version and Raven black color. Now let's unbox it. When we open the box, we have the phone first. Let's keep it aside and look at the other box contents. We have the SIM ejector tool, and the regular paperwork like warranty card and quick start guide. A Type-C cable is given along with a 15-watt power brick. Also, a thing to notice here is we have not got any TPU case, so it's better you buy a case for preventing the phone from picking up scratches. Before removing the plastic, let's boot up the phone. Until the device gets booted up, let's take a look at the physical overview of the device. On the left side, we have the SIM tray with 3 slots, so you can have 2 SIM cards and also SD card. It's good to see that Samsung has provided dedicated micro SD card. On the top we have the secondary noise cancelling mic, and on the right we have the volume rocker key and the power button. The bottom we have the primary microphone, the speaker, and a 3.5mm jack and a Type-C port for charging. The headphone jack provided here is a positive. To take a look at the build quality, the back is made up of plastic, but it gives a solid feel and also with a glossy finish, so it easily picks up fingerprints and scratches. Also in the back, the fingerprint sensor is embedded. The best part of this phone is its display. It has a Full HD Plus resolution display with a Super AMOLED panel, so the colors are rich, vibrant and punchy. Also the blacks are deep. In this budget, this is the best display device, and for media consumption it gives an immersive experience as the ratio here is 19:9. So the top and bottom bezels are very small. There is a small notch on the top in which there is a 20 megapixel selfie shooter with aperture of f2.0. Also, as far as protection is concerned, in the front, it is covered with the Corning's Gorilla Glass 3. Many people don't take a look into the SAR rating, but it's very important, and this one has the lowest ever SAR rating of 0.468 watt per kg for the head. The phone is powered by the Exynos 9611 chipset, which is giving better than expected performance for day-to-day usage. Out of the box, the device comes with One UI 2.0 built on the latest Android 10. Also, the One UI here is very much optimized and free of bloatwares. Also, you can do moderate gaming in this device. Heavy titles like PUBG are running in HDR graphics on ultra frame rate at most, but there are a lot of stutters. The gameplay you're seeing now is played in HD and ultra frame rate. The game runs smoothly in this setting. Also, you can do long hours of gaming with medium graphics setting because it has a big battery of 6000 mAh and with a 15-watt fast charge support. Even though it has a big battery, the weight of the phone is only 188 grams, but it takes around 2 hours plus to charge from 0 to 100. Let's come to the final part of the review and also important part, which are the cameras. This becomes a vital reason for a person to choose a smartphone. The M21 here has a 48 megapixel primary sensor with an aperture of f2.0. The next comes 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor paired with a lens with f2.2 aperture, and finally the third is the 5 megapixel depth sensor for edge detection. In good lighting conditions, the camera performs really good and better than expected. You can also see the image in the screen. Also, the wide angle shots are good. In the screen, you can see two images taken from the same position. One is using a wide angle lens and one is a normal image. Also, the depth sensor here is good, and we can also adjust the amount of blur and other details even after taking the image. Samsung has given a dedicated night mode, and in this also the device performs decently. When we come to the video part, it can shoot up to 4K 30fps and in 1080p till 60fps, which is a really good feature. This video here is taken in 1080p. Please tell your feedback about the stability in the comments below. The final verdict for this phone and for whom this phone is suitable is people who are looking for a good display device for long hours of media consumption or medium amount of gaming and day-to-day usage. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this first unboxing video and review in our channel, please give a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive immediate notification. Also, please give your feedback to improve the videos. Thanks for watching.